This is a brand new 2012 Chrysler 300. This four-door sedan has an 8-speed automatic transmission and a 3.6-liter V6. Its top features include a remote start feature, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, a premium audio system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, solar control glass, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a Sentry key theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Louisville's Hyundai Giants, home of the 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty and the largest selection of Hyundais in Kentucky. Visit our website and view our entire inventory online at www.oxmoreautogroup.com.